everybody, and welcome back to What just happened? What just happened? What just happened? What? Did Star just what? Star, did you just chase them off? I'm so confused right now, guys. Coyote, they were right here. Yeah, guys, Star chased them away. Alright, we're going after them. They came. Where are they now? What just happened? I'm at a loss for words. Where'd they go? They go here? Alright. It's hard to see them on like this weird snow area. Ooh, what? I was just like, hi everybody, and then they just came all up in here. Oh, come on, where are these coyotes? There. We don't want to do elk. I don't understand where they went. Alright, fine. We'll just hunt some elk. Okay, there. Now Star will come to us. Yeah, but I heard the music and I was like, wait, what? Alright, I actually don't know where they went. So, there. You look... Oh, you're a buck. Wait, is this all bucks? I see a mama. Oh, no. Running. Wait, is that... elk calf. I smell an elk calf. Oh yeah, so the buttercup herd... What? I'm so confused. The buttercup herd is over here. Right? No. What? I'm so confused. No, okay, so this is the buttercup herd. Okay, yeah. Oh, there. Okay. Whoa, look at the elk. Look at the elk calves. They're brown now. Alright. I think we can get this one easy, especially with Star's help. I don't know where Star is actually though. And look how easy that is. Oh! Can we not? Okay, so we can't pick this one up, actually. But, I think this should fulfill our needs quite nicely. Oh, Star, hey! Aww. Aw, dang, I didn't get a picture of them. I can't believe she chased away those coyotes all on her own, though. We're gonna... she's too far away. Hold on. Let's do a chin rest. Star, you're such a good mate. I see a mama. Let's eat this elk, but then let's actually check the pups. Okay, good. So she's almost full. We're almost full. So they're almost to 20 pounds, except of course for Twilight. And Dawn's still a little bit behind everyone else, but alright. I see a mama, and that's a moose. Sir, Wait, I actually wanna, oh no, I don't think that was Mom. But, why don't we just take a picture of, us near a moose? I mean, pretty cool. We're gonna, yeah, let's get started and do this. Alright. Are you a mom? Blech. Are you not a mom? No, alright. How's our territory, actually? Alright, yeah, so, from the start, we just jumped right in, and, we might as well go this way. Just gonna run through grass. Well, oh, are we good? We're in there. Yeah, we might as well just make our territory stronger. So, guys, last time we actually killed the wolf from, I think it was from Prospect B. Pretty sure. Alright, yeah, and I don't... Okay, he keeps stopping for some reason. Bunny. Yummy. Alright. Can we even eat it? Are we hungry enough? We can eat some of it. Star, you want it? Well. She hungry? Yeah, she's a little hungry. Go, eat that. There we go. Oh, was that it? Oh, Star! Oh, I want a picture of them too. Just them. Just them all by themselves. No pups to deal with. Just marking their territory. And I actually never noticed, but it looks like there are scratches on Star's nose right there. Oh, that picture angle was actually really cute. Okay, so, let's go back to the den. We really have no other need to really be here. So, let's go back. I really do love Star though. She's an amazing maid. And you know, she started this pack with us, and now the Eclipse pack is going to continue for generations. I just can't believe that, you know, that Shadow and Star, they won't be having any more puppies. And that's sad. Or like, blah. Well, yeah, they won't be having any more puppies, but that's normal. They won't be continuing on anymore. And, you know, that's sad. And we're going to pick their puppies. That's what I meant to say, instead of they're not having any more puppies. So, you know, it's just sad. Oh, hi guys. I still can't believe the fact that coyotes just decided to come and attack us. So let's just give a howl. Oh, that's really cute. Star is howling too. Star's actually with us. I only see 4 of them. The others are over there. Let's get it from a different angle. Yeah, but this is all Dawn. Hi. Dawn, you want to play? Oh, or Twilight. And some of them are a little late. Wants to play Dawn. Hi. Oh, that's really cute. They're both playing. Oh, I want a picture of that. Sorry guys, I'm taking so many pictures, but it's just so cute. Shadow's just here with his family. And yeah. And they're gonna be grown up soon. So, and let's actually go to sleep. And Mars is recovered now, so we don't have to worry about him anymore. And you know, life is just good. There was a moment when Shadow was panicked when Mars was sick, and you know, and they had to move, and you know, especially when they move when that grizzly bear attacks us. Like, what the heck? Alright. yesterday he did. Might as well get a rabbit. And yeah, yesterday or like last time, he killed a wolf because it was the last straw for him. They kicked him out of their pack. He doesn't believe that Dark Lake won. I honestly don't know what he believes. I think he believes that Prospect Peak is the evil one, and that Dark Lake, or bleh, I don't know why I called him Dark Lake. That Blood Lake, which we are now going to revert back to calling Crevice Lake. You know, I don't know what they wanted. I think that one who told him that fib about them teaming up with Prospect Peak was just a lie, so that she could, I think it was a she, so that she could get out alive. So now, oh, it's snowing. This is really pretty, wow. So that she could get out alive, and I don't think we believe her. So, actually, now I think, yep, a lot of the pups are there. Miss is almost there. Dawn's almost there, and then we just have to wait for Twilight. So, Twilight. Hi, Star, you wanna play? And our affinity is very, very high. Eat up, Miss. Do you need to grow up? Oh, so shy. Let's chin rest. Oh, there, Twilight wants to play. Umbra. Hey. Come closer. Eat up. Honestly, guys, I don't know who we're gonna pick for air. I really don't. But, you know, it's time to start thinking about that. And we're just gonna sit here with the family and, you know, just play because, oh, Saturn. I feel like we really haven't paid much attention to Saturn. In that, let's actually look at his coat. Ooh, I love Saturn because we paid attention to him in the beginning, but now we really haven't. Now I feel like the focus has been on Twilight, Miss, Dawn, Mars, pretty much everyone but him. So, oh, Miss. And you know, I feel like we need to pay attention equally to all of them. I love how they got bigger though. You can really see their colors more now that they're bigger. Twilight and Mars are playing. She's pounced on his back. That's so cute. Oh, Saturn, you're so happy. Saturn's very playful. Alright, so the parents are pretty hungry, so oh, we just helped them out. Why don't you guys go in the den? Then him and Star can just go get some food. Come on, Midnight. There you go. And let's call her with us. And they can just go get some food really quickly and male disperse the wolves. No. Where were they? No, that's a bunny. Is this? Yeah, that's a bull elk herd by Bull Elk Lake. Alright. Whoa. We just went inside of Star there for a sec. Mule deer. Num num. We could find a calf or a fawn, that'd be even better, but we'll settle for bleh. we will settle for I've never heard of that bull elk herd, the Arnica bull elk herd. Oh, there's a fawn? What is this? It's a bunch of fawns? Oh, I feel really bad now. Oh, I feel really bad. There's 3 of them still with their mom. But hey, it's a bit of food. Yeah, there were 4 fawns just with their mom, and it's not a very big meal. Let Star get some. Oh, we're full. Star is hungry. Yeah, we're practically full. Did you finish it off, Star? Oh yeah, she did. And how full are you? Not very. I feel bad taking another fawn though. We just need to get cougar. What's this blue thing? What is it? It's a moose? Why don't, you know what? We've never tried taking down a moose before. Don't see why we can try, whoa. Or we could just take down these guys. We've taken down one of them before. Ooh, this guy's really weak. Whoa. Okay, yeah, we're strong. We're dealing lots of damage because he's also weak. Alright, yeah, so... Ooh, that did a lot of damage. Yeah, so I think this is going to be our lunch. Just to make Star full because she deserves to be just fed and happy, even if she's not necessarily helping us with this hunt very much. Oh, there! Yes, Star! Ooh, this is really cool. Oh, this is really cool. Look, Shadow's kind of in the ground, but we're gonna... Yeah, that's really cool. Okay, yep, and I think we got him. And, you know, I think this might actually be their last full meal before their pups grow up. How full are you, Star? Star, you need to eat. Skedaddle. Move. Oh, nope, he just bumps away. Star, come eat. Come eat, girl. Yeah, there we go. Get away. Oh, there, she's so happy. She's like, move it, crows. Move it. Or ravens, or whatever you are. Some sort of bird that eats dead things. Okay, so she's full. And let's just take back a chunk of meat. And we're good. So let's head back to the rendezvous site. And then, you know, we'll be good. Then I think next time we'll probably get all of the pups. Hi, rabbit. We'll probably get all of the... Are you coyotes? We'll probably get all of the pups over 20 pounds, and then it'll be time to pick an heir. What are you? You're crows? And then Shadow and Star's legacy will come to an end. They'll be done. They'll have grown their pups up, and, you know, I don't think we'll... Literally, you were so close to us. We went all that way for nothing. Oh, okay, yeah, our territory's fine here. And yeah, then they'll be done, and we won't be Shadow anymore, and Star won't be here anymore. Instead, it'll be one of their pups. So let's see, has, Mup? Yep, Mup. What's Mup? I was trying to say mist and yup at the same time, so, let's call her now. Yep, so eat up, guys, especially Dawn, Twilight. We will hand feed you ourselves if we must, Twilight. Oh, there, she's so happy. And we actually need Dawn to grow just a tiny bit more too, so it's good that she's in there. Star sees something, I think. Nope, she's good. And, you know, we're gonna be taking lots of pictures now that it's close to the end. I don't like that. Twilight, you're supposed to be eating, but that's fine. Ooh, and if we go just a little bit over here, and how? We'll have all the pups in the picture. Come on, Star. You know you want to. Ooh, there. That's so cute. There's so many of them that are howling. And we get all of them in the picture, which is the best part, including Star. Oh, they're so happy. Nice, Star. You're such a good lady. We're gonna take a picture of this because, you know, it's Star and Shadow. They started everything. And now, whoa! Sorry, Umbra. We just trampled Umbra. Now we're gonna go to sleep and see, hopefully Dawn will grow over 20 pounds. And then we'll just be waiting on Twilight. So, yeah, oh look. Twilight and Star are sleeping close together. And the sun's setting. I feel like we woke up early. I don't know. Okay, good. So Dawn is over 20 pounds. Now we're just waiting on Twilight. Of course we're waiting on you, Twilight. We'll hand feed you. It's a star seed. Ian? I hear that music. Yep, that's what I thought. That's what I thought. Uh-oh, we just froze. Another bear attack? Really? At least I'm not as freaking missed. Missed! 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 Yes, Star! Ooh, I want a picture of this, cause like, and there's a whoa, that was a little close. Get out, buddy! Ooh, no, don't fall in the house. Star's helping us so much. Get away from our pups. Get away. Whoa, that was a lot of damage. Get away. Star, watch out. She's really hurt. Oh my gosh. Oh no, guys. Shadow is literally going to die. No, get away. Guys, Shadow is going to die. Good, he's chasing Star. We can just chase him away. Okay. Get in! Who is that? Saturn! Saturn! Oh my gosh! Guys, we almost died to a grizzly bear. Saturn! What were you thinking? Well, we were talking about Saturn getting attention, and here's the attention he wanted. We were at 9 health, and Star wasn't doing much better. So, we are going to go to sleep. Oh, Star, wait, we need to give her a chin rest for that. Because, wow, Star. Yeah, so please like and subscribe if you can. And, well, first, we're definitely gonna go to sleep. Saturn. That's really cute, but Saturn cuteness does not get you out of trouble. Bunny, you're just asking for it. Ooh, we're really weak though. We can't run very fast. That. There we go. Whoa, we just froze there. Okay, yeah, so, please like and subscribe if you can, and join us as we continue with Shadow. So guys, please start leaving comments, for who you want the heirs to the eclipse mist in, for who you want the heirs to the eclipse pack to be. We are going to have Mars, a special video, for that, where we see the pups who are now grown up. But first we have to get them there. Twilight, that means you. Yeah, so